Your heart, this precious engine of life, deserves special attention. Today we'll explore foods that truly support heart health and simple ways to weave them into your everyday routine for a cleaner, stronger heart. Let's begin. Nutrition is an essential pillar for a healthy heart. Foundational. A balanced diet isn't just eating well. It powers defenses with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to fight disease, balance cholesterol, and boost circulation. Here are the key nutrients your heart loves. Omega-3 fatty acids, to cool inflammation and reduce risk. Fiber, to trap cholesterol and block buildup. Vitamin C and E, antioxidant armor for cells and vessels. Potassium, daily support for healthy blood pressure. Step 1. The cleaners. Fruits and vegetables. Superfoods to pamper your heart. Fresh produce. Packed with antioxidants, they fight free radicals. Less damage, less plaque. Fiber in plants helps lower cholesterol. Top picks: berries, citrus, tomatoes, spinach, and broccoli. Berries and citrus deliver potent antioxidant hits. Leafy greens add fiber to keep levels in check. Quick tip: add fruit to breakfast or snacks. Load veggies into mains, soups, and salads. Aim for at least 5 servings a day. Next, meet your heart's best oil. Fatty fish are partners for a strong heart. Omega-3s. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herring deliver omega-3s. They calm inflammation and lower blood pressure. They also help deter dangerous blood clots. Aim for at least 2 servings each week for a stronger heart. No fish? Choose flax seeds, chia seeds, and nuts, or consider fish oil or algae-based supplements. Step 2. Nuts, seeds, legumes, whole grains. Plant foods bring fiber, healthy fats, and clean protein for your heart. Together they help pull down LDL cholesterol. Think almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and lentils. Plus, whole grains. Their soluble fiber binds cholesterol for the exit. Bonus: steadier energy and lasting fullness. How to use them: oatmeal, quinoa, or bulgur for breakfast. Swap in whole grain bread and pasta. Choose brown rice, millet, or barley. But wait. Now, the forgotten secret: fermented foods. Fermented foods. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. They deliver probiotics that support digestion, improve cholesterol and blood pressure, and they calm inflammation, the heart's hidden enemy. Easy habits: yogurt at breakfast, a bit of sauerkraut or kimchi with meals, kefir as a snack. And finally, the big debate: coffee or tea. Good news, both are allies. Green tea is rich in catechins that guard your cells and reduce inflammation. Coffee, enjoyed in moderation, is linked to fewer strokes. Together, they support cardiovascular health when you keep portions sensible. Remember, moderation matters. Too much can raise blood pressure, so sip smart. Daily plan: build variety, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, low-fat dairy. Limit saturated fat, salt, sugar. Skip fast food and soda.
Cook smart, steam, bake, saute.
Hydrate and keep alcohol low. Simple ideas: smoothies, salads, fatty fish, nuts and seeds. Move, sleep, de-stress. Don't smoke. Ready to start? Your heart will thank you.